Good morning, children. Welcome to your computer class. In today's class, we are going to start a new chapter. That is Chapter 5. The name of the chapter is Basics of Logo. Now, in today's class, first we will learn about programming language. Now, what is language? A language is a list of words that we use and also the rules for putting those words together so that we can understand the meaning of the sentence. But computers do not understand human language. So, there are some languages which are understandable by a computer. These languages are called programming languages. Logo, QBasic, Fortran, COBOL, C++, Java, etc. are some of the programming languages. The person that writes a program for a computer is called a programmer. In this chapter, we will learn about one of the computer programming language, that is Logo. Now, what is Logo? Logo is an interesting programming language designed by Seymour Papert for children. The full form of Logo is Language of Graphic Oriented. We can draw different pictures and can also perform simple mathematical operations using this language. It is also available in different versions such as PC Logo, UCB Logo, MSW Logo. Now today we will learn about MSW Logo. This version of Logo is used with Microsoft Windows only. Now we will learn how to start Logo. To open the Logo application, first it is necessary to have Logo in your computer system. After you make it sure that your computer has MSW Logo in it already installed, now follow the given steps to open Logo. The first step is to click on the Start button that you can find at the very bottom of your desktop. Now, step 2. You have to go to all programs. Now, step 3. Click on the Microsoft Windows logo from the list and again click on the Microsoft Windows logo. In this way, you can open MSW Logo on your computer. Now, the logo window that appears on your desktop contains two main parts. They are the main screen and commander window. Now I will tell you the names of the different components of logo window and then I will discuss these components with you. So, let's look at the components. Title bar, menu bar, main screen, turtle, commander window, recall list box, command input box, control buttons. So these are the components. So now we will discuss the different components one by one. The first component is title bar. The title bar is positioned at the top of the main screen. It displays the name of the file that you are working upon or the new file that you have just opened. Now the menu bar. Menu bar contains all the logo command options. The menu bar can be found just below the title bar. Now, the main screen or the drawing area. This is the upper part of the logo window. This is the area where you can use the turtle. Now, what is the turtle? Children, the triangular shaped option that you can find in the components of the logo window is the turtle part. Turtle is a little triangle at the center of the screen. The pointed end of the turtle is known as the head, and the bottom part is known as the tail. The turtle moves as per the instructions written in the command input box. The instructions given to it are called logo commands. So you can move the turtle on the MS logo window with the help of the commands. Now we will discuss about Commander window. Commander window or screen is the place where we type all the commands. This window has the following components. First one, recall list box. This box is right below the title bar of Commander window. All the commands typed in the command input box are saved here. It helps in getting a previously typed command. So recall list box will give you the history of the used commands. Now we will discuss about command input box. All the commands are typed in the command input box. To execute a command, you have to just press enter key on the keyboard. So you have to first write a command and then you have to press the enter key on the keyboard and your turtle will move according to your command. Now we will discuss about the control buttons. These buttons are on the right side of the Commander window. Different buttons perform different functions. Halt button. It stops the execution of commands. Trace button. This button helps in finding the errors in commands. If you have made any mistake, this button will trace the mistake. Pause button. This button pauses the ongoing execution of commands. Just like you can pause a video, you can pause the execution of commands in logo. Now, the status button. This button opens a status window which tells about the current settings in logo. Reset button. This button clears all the commands given. And lastly, execute button. This button executes the command. The enter key can also be used in place of the execution key to execute the command. So you can either press enter key after writing the command or you can use execute button to execute the command. So these were the components. Now, how to exit logo? To exit logo, the steps are as follows. Step 1. Click on the File menu on the menu bar. Step 2. From the list, select Exit. Or you can follow these steps also. Step 1. Type by in the command input box of the commander window. And step 2. Press the Enter key or Execute button to exit. So, we have come to the end of this chapter and we will end our class here. Children, don't forget to read this chapter in your book. This will help you. Now, I will finish my class here. I will meet you in my next class. Till then, goodbye.